Behind me I have our RFSS, our robotic flexible sortation system, and we designed this originally with a digital twin. We did offline mechanical and offline programming, and we tied them together and designed it, and it allowed us to get it to the floor in a very advanced timeline. And what it's doing is, in this aspect, it's actually sorting out items. A bunch of items come to this station, and the operator will scan them in, and then the robot knows, okay, this item's for Bill's order, this item's for Susan's order. And then the robot's going to pick up the items, and it's going to dump them to individual totes on the other side and sort them out. So all of Bill's items go into Bill's bin, all of Susan's items go into Susan's bin, and then once they are done, an operator on the other side of the wall unloads it, puts it into a shipping box, closes it up, and ships it out for you, and gets it out the next day or that day up. So this machine behind me is for the e-commerce, warehouse, logistics business, but it's also being used in kitting for like automotive companies and other areas, a little bit with aerospace. This is basically a platform, so there's a lot of different renditions for different aspects of it. You got bigger sized boxes, heavier items. Right? We can modify things to make it whatever the customer needs.